Hey guys, this is Alex from TechHarris.com. Today we're looking at the Patriot Keylite Keyboard for the iPad Air. This thing reminds me of the Apple Smart Cover, with its magnetic hinge and smart sleep function. The keys are widespread, but don't expect laptop comfort. There are two buttons and two indicators on the front. There's the connect button and the power button, and the Bluetooth indicator and status light. The body on this thing is constructed of aluminum and plastic. It blends in well with Apple's iPad design, almost looking like one fluid piece. The aluminum back protects the front of the iPad when closed, but the back of the iPad will be unprotected. The keyboard layout will be familiar to Mac users, and the number keys are function keys as well. Patriot says these are white space keys, and it worked fairly well. I was able to type pretty good, but I have big hands, and it's not laptop comfort, but that's to be expected of an iPad keyboard. The keyboard is also backlit, and it can change up to 7 different colors, adding a personal touch. Battery life claims are 2 months of standby and 30 hours of continuous use. To be honest, I didn't test those numbers, but the Keylite always had charge when I needed it. The built-in stand only accommodates one angle, and that was an issue for me. I like a deeper angle when using the keyboard. The angle was too steep on the Keylite. Overall, the Keylite performed great. Battery is good, design is beautiful, and typing was acceptable. My only 2 complaints are there's no protection for the back, and there's only one angle for the iPad. Otherwise, it's worth taking a look at. Check out the links below to find out where you can pick up your Keylite.